Apprenticeships are so important within Northern Ireland because really they're the growth for the next generation of building the skills within the construction industry in terms of building the economy within Northern Ireland. So they're key to helping Northern Ireland grow for the future.
It's vital that we bring and create opportunities for our young people to come through into the industry.
The biggest misconceptions that we in Construction Futures want to dispel is that construction is all just about muddy boots. In Hearn Brothers, we have 70 different job roles, all associated with construction. So you can be whatever you want to achieve in construction. There's so many variations.
So our members of Construction Employers Federation tell us we have severe shortages coming up in our young people, particularly in the workforce in construction, but also older people. We have an aged workforce, so naturally through retirements we are losing a lot of our workforce, and we are finding we do have a real skills gap. And I think in the past we haven't been good enough at interacting with schools and with their parents and with young people and actually explaining to them there are great career opportunities in construction. So Construction Futures is really set up to bridge that gap and actually attract talent into our industry.
I hope that Construction Futures bridges the gap between what we know in the construction industry and how good we are, and hopefully it can educate people into what the construction industry actually is and change the perception of that.
Construction Future have a role to play in liaising between the higher education sector and the needs of the construction industry. The courses will have to evolve going forward in the future, whereby new courses more bespoke to the needs of the industry will have to come in.
Education and industry has to collaborate. If you want to look at that in economic terms, industry from all sectors get their workers from education, and the education that we have has to be right. And if employers don't feel that the skills or the education is right for the future employees, then they have to speak up and they have to speak out.
The construction sector is really important in terms of the Northern Ireland economy. If we look at the contribution, it's £3.3 billion per annum, supporting over 60,000 individuals. So a really important sector in terms of economic growth, and we want to do everything that we can to support that valuable sector here.